Understanding Parking Assistance, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that many of you might encounter in daily life, especially if you're driving or planning to drive in an English-speaking country. We're talking about parking assistance. It's a term that you might see in car manuals, at parking lots, or when choosing features for a new car. So, let's break it down and make it as simple as possible for all of you to understand. Parking assistance refers to any type of aid or system that helps drivers park their vehicles more easily and safely. This can come in many forms, from physical help by parking lot attendants who guide you into your spot, to high-tech systems in cars that can actually steer the car into a parking space for you. These systems use a variety of sensors, cameras, and sometimes even radar to measure the size of the parking space and navigate the car accordingly. There are several types of parking assistance systems that you might encounter. 1. Rear view cameras. These provide a video feed of what's behind your car, making it easier to back into spaces. 2. Parking sensors. These alert you with beeps or visual cues when you're getting too close to another object. 3. Automatic parking. A more advanced system where the car takes over the steering while you control the speed, or the car controls everything, steering and speed, to park itself. Each of these systems has its own benefits and can make parking a much less stressful experience. Parking assistance systems can offer several benefits, including reducing the risk of accidents by helping drivers avoid collisions with objects, vehicles, or pedestrians they might not see. Saving time by making it easier and quicker to park, especially in tight spots. Increasing confidence among drivers who might be nervous about parking in busy or cramped areas. Using parking assistance varies depending on the system. Here are some general tips. Always check your vehicle's manual for specific instructions on how to activate and use the parking assistance features. For systems like rear view cameras or sensors, be aware of the cues, visual or auditory, and respond accordingly. For automatic parking systems, follow the on-screen prompts and be ready to take control if needed. We hope this video has shed some light on what parking assistance is and how it can make parking easier and safer for you. Remember, while these systems are incredibly helpful, it's important to remain vigilant and not rely on them completely. Always use your own judgment and keep practicing your parking skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos like this. Safe driving, and see you in the next one.